Is it much of a video? Which ball do you like? Which ball is bigger? Well, obviously this one is bigger than that one. I can take this one, put it right over that one. Boom, right on top. I can probably take this one and put it, boom, right around that one. When I look at this one, it looks like I can almost go in there. You know why I think I can go in there? Because I think this is a hole. They opened up this door and there's a hole right over here. They opened up this door and there's a hole over here. Actually, we can look at it a whole lot different. If you look closely, I've turned them both into ducks. Here's a duck here, and here's a duck here. They each got ducks. They each got bodies, two ducks. The gray spot from the black ball with the white dot. Here we got a one dot onside this ball, but from this distance, it almost looks square. So they're asking black, white, or are they the same? Okay, well, personally, these are quarter moons. This is energy. We have to regard this as energy. This is what I saw. We carry a load on our shoulders. The light reflection. The light reflection. Okay. And is that from this lamp that I have on beside me? No, it's not. There's still another light reflection from coming in. But there ain't no sunshine. There ain't no sunshine. You know what I'm saying? Places there ain't no sunshine actually light up the most. Underneath the lava stone, how the movement of this planet is just, it's just crazy. So there was the shadow. You take a look at the shadow, and looking down from the top, the shadow was gray. But looking over to the side, the shadow was black. Is that from, see, if you point straight down, it points right back up. There's no gain. But when you point this angle, the reflection is up on this angle, so you're advancing. Combinating and connecting numbers. I found something very neat today, and I'm gonna, just wanna, before we let this go, right? Do you see the actual Star of David in here? The one on the angle. Do you see the one on the angle? Right? And just give me a second. So you see the one on the angle, right? You see the Mug and David on the angle, right? Right? You see the Mug and David on the angle. See the line? In order to get this Mug and David straight, where's that line? Is that the straight line? Right? But it's on an angle. Look at the way it's off towards 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock should be up here, but it's not, right? 12 o'clock should be over here, right? But it's over here on this angle, showing towards the north, right? Well, take a good look at this picture. Here's the Star of David in the center, right? The minute you turn it this way, or you turn it this way, you got multitudes. See well, it's offset, but here, right? Top and the bottom, hourglasses. And you got hourglasses, one on each side, right? You got an hourglass here and an hourglass here, right? The minute you tilt this, you have an hourglass here, and then you have the hourglass here, right? And then, boom, there's no hourglass but going straight up, right? See the hourglass between here and here? The hourglass here and here, here and here? So what am I actually saying with all this? I'm just bringing more numbers, relationships, understanding. The more you would understand, you watch these videos that I make. But if I make no sense further on in my thinking, how far can you let your thoughts go with someone who might take you down the wrong road to something that's a possibility of an improbability? Remember, we can create roads of all. His stories are stories, but the probability, the practicality, and the who what. I mean, I'm not going around the world. I need to go. I'm going to tell you, I need to go to Chicago. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Wisconsin and go all the way down to California, go all the way around the world to come back to Chicago. I'm going to turn around. Okay, it's always in a straight line. Are the two balls in a straight line? Are the two balls in a straight line? Doesn't matter where two is. They're always straight towards each other. But when there's a third ball coming into effect, it's always the one between three that will show no difference, but it is the two opposites that will always show the greatest distance. Unless you're putting them all together in a triangle. Now the points will begin to speak. Raphael 7286, the constellation of Pegasus, pieces and parts, putting things together, making understanding of relationships. I'm telling you nothing. You got to make it up all in your head, but it's all the truth.